Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that often pops up in discussions about technology and everyday life, ubiquitous. It might look a little challenging, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ubiquitous. Let's break it down. First, we have U, which sounds like the beginning of you. Next is B-I-K, which is pronounced like the word bic, with a short I sound, similar to quick. Then we have Y, which sounds like Y in which. Finally, tus sounds like tus in focus. Now let's put it all together. Ubiquitous. Try repeating after me. Ubiquitous. Now a little faster. Ubiquitous. And at full speed. Ubiquitous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ubiquitous refers to something that seems to be present everywhere or constantly encountered, like smartphones or the internet in today's world. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ubiquitous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.